Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to rewind a Twitch stream while the creator is still live. Twitch does not have a native rewind button on the live player, but there is a reliable workaround you can use right now. To do this, start by looking just below the live video feed. Click on the streamer's profile picture or their username to go to their main channel page. From there, navigate to the Videos tab. In the Videos section, look for the most recent upload under Recent Broadcasts. Twitch automatically saves the current live broadcast as a video on demand in real time. Click on that latest video and you will be able to watch the stream from the very beginning. You can scrub through the timeline, go back, and find exactly the moment you missed. Keep in mind, this method relies on the streamer having their past broadcasts enabled. If their video on demand setting is turned off, this recording will not appear, and you will have to wait until the broadcast completely ends to re-watch it. If this quick guide helped you catch up on your favorite stream, leave a like on the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching.